Hello Foundation, it's Wednesday's Phonics. We're going to start off by saying the sounds that we've already learnt. Can you say them with me? J, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Q, Ch, Sh, Th, Ng, A, E, I, O, U, R, and O. Right, I'm going to say a sound now. See if you can find it faster than me. Can you find the diagraph I? Well done. Did you get there faster than me? This time, can you find the sound ch? Ch. Well done. Can you find the sound O? Diagraph O. Well done. There it is. Can you find oo? Did you get it faster than me? Can you find the sound or? Our new sound yesterday. Or. There it is. Can you find the sound shh? Well done, there it is. Can you find the sound E? Did you get it? Can you find the sound R? Did you get there faster than me? Well done. We're going to see if we can read some words now using some of those phase 3 sounds. So, remember when you spot a diagraph, it's two letters that make one sound. Got some words here and we're going to try and read them to match them to the correct picture. Ready? Let's read them together. Farm. Farm. Did you spot the diagraph in that word? Which picture shows us a farm with farm animals? Ready? Next one. Short. Which one shows us somebody who is short? Can you spot our new diagraph from yesterday? Or in the word short. And the last one, coat. Can you spot the coat? Which picture does the word match to? Did you get them right? Good sounding out. We're going to read our tricky words now, so it'll be my turn first whilst you listen, and then you can read the word back to me. My turn. B, your turn. My turn. Was, your turn. My turn. My, your turn. My turn. For, your turn. Let's see if we can read a sentence now. Look out for those tricky words. So can you look for my boots? Boots. Use your reading finger to read it back with me. Can you look for my boots? Can you spot some tricky words in that question? We had two tricky words. We had for and my. We've got a new sound today. It's a diagraph. Two letters that make one sound. The phonemes in our diagraph today are an and a and when the and work together, they make the sound Can you say that with me? Say the sound Your turn. Can you think of some words with the sound in them? We've got fur, purse, turnip, turn, and nurse. Where can you hear the sound in those words? Let's see if we can read some words with the sound in them now. Surf. Burn. Turnip. Your turn. Use the sound buttons to help you. Can you spot the sound in the word? Have a go at reading them by yourself. Remember, the diagraph makes one sound. Well done. We're going to speed read some words in my list now. So it's going to be my turn, then I'd like you to pause the video and have a go. Burn. Hurt, hurt. Fur. Curl. Church. Turn. Your turn to have a go at reading those words now. Remember to blend the sounds to read the word. We're going to have a go at writing an word now. We've got the diagraph here to help us. Let's sound out this picture. He's surfing. So we're going to sound out the word surf today. Can you hear the sound? Let's use our sound fingers. Surf. One more time, see if we can sound it out faster. Put the sounds on your fingers. Surf. Let's see if we can write it down. Surf. Can you spot our diagraph, our new sound in the word surf? Now it's your turn. It's your turn to have a go at writing some words. So use your sound fingers to help you spell each of the words. We've got fur, turn, and burn. Let's sound out the word fur. How many sounds? How many sounds have you got on your fingers? 2 sounds. Can you spot my mistake? My phoneme frame is too long. We need 2 boxes because the word fur has 2 sounds, and an Let's have a look at the word turn. How many sounds? 3 sounds in the word turn. So I've got 3 boxes in my phoneme frame. And burn. Burn. How many sounds in that word? Well done. 3 sounds. So 3 boxes in my phoneme frame. Right, now that we've had a go at sounding those words out, see if you can do it by yourself to write a list of words to match the pictures. We've got a caption to read now. Look out for that diagraph. Let's read it together. Turn. Right. For the zoo. Turn right for the zoo. Did you spot some of our phase 3 sounds in that sentence? Did you spot our new diagraph in that sentence? Have a go at blending the sounds to read each word and read the caption by yourself. We've got a picture now. We're going to think of our own sentence and have a go at writing it. We've got fur. How do you think the fur feels? The fur is soft. Can you say the sentence with me? The fur is soft. Have a go at writing it now. And then check to see if you've got it right. Did you use our new diagraph? Did you remember the phonemes that make up our new diagraph? An and a working together to make Let's read the sentence back. The fur is soft. Soft. Have a go at thinking of your own sentences now. And to finish off with, we've got an activity where you can use your diagraph to read some words. So you've got an story, and your job is to see if you can spot the words in the story. So you can read it by yourself, or your grown-up can read it to you, and then see if you can spot or hear the words in the story.